Today's concept is the analytical learning in machine learning. The session is taken by the professor. I'm the data scientist. So before chapters will be covered a generalized contents of the inductive learning methods. Inductive learning methods, that is the generalized form of observe the data to examples, and the data will be splitted either test data or trained data, that it will be covered something. But analytical process a lot of issues to encapsulate it in the numerical methods to consider the implementation of the process to based on the numerical analysis to meet the target points with the analytical without any conflict of the data processing or etc. So the main concept of analytical learning, the accuracy is imposed to the amount of training data so that apply the different numerical algorithms or numerical applications to measuring the data analysis process the knowledge of EBL. EBL stands for explanation based learning. But right now the concept is comes under that EBG, that is called explanation based generalized. So it is the more accuracy. They mainly use it for industries to application further with the help of one of the algorithm that is called CIGOL. There is the algorithm CIGOL. So CIGOL stands for what? It is the backward of the logic. Just it is the reverse side of the logic. Just you can mirror image of logic. That type of algorithm to implement in analytical learning. A new mechanism of the algorithm in the serialized, the mainly used for the increases and the inductive algorithm concepts. So it is the some of the drawbacks in earlier inductive learning, but right now by using CGL then cover up to the advanced trends for the logic in the CGL. Inverse applications, the CGL. So here, what is analytical learning? Where it is used? Normally, all are observed in a computer games like a chess. So one player is computer, another player is human. But according to the human moves, the computer will take the one movement. So how it is possible? What is the backbone of that? So how to take the decision to the computer? The type of applications covered in the analytical learning algorithms, that algorithm backbone of CISOL. That CISOL, how it is implemented like that, it is a comes under that analytical learning process. So analytical learning process is a basically it is the earlier it is the EBG, EBL, expert EBL, explanation based learning. Now it is comes under that EBG, explanation based generalized. So what is the difference between these two? There is a lot of differences between algorithms and as well as the numerical concepts. So what is analytical algorithm? In the field of artificial intelligence or in computer analytical learning, explanation based learning in the form of a machine learning, which concern the design and the development of algorithms in a mathematics and a computer science. Finally, it is related to the domestic sciences like in data science or etc. But analytical learning, the stems of the idea that were not enough training examples. You have to take the training and as well as the test data must be required or provided it may be the possible to replace the missing examples of the prior knowledge, that is called deductive reasoning. But coming to this analytical learning, a definition as per the given to the some of the scientists like that, given a hypothesis space capital H, it is implemented earlier a set of training examples, the capital letter D. These relation between H and D along with the domain theory. The domain theory capital letter indicating the B consisting of background knowledge. That means the domain background knowledge B and training examples D and hypothesis H. So totally H, B, D. The relation between these three combinations that can be used to explain observed training examples. The desired output of an analytical learner is the hypothesis. Now we have to extract small h value from capital H. So hypothesis. So hypothesis H from capital H that consists of the both the training examples D and the domain theory of B. So normally when the people hear the term of artificial intelligence, the first thing usually thinks as a robot. But robot in the sense robot they can't do anything, but humans can generate some algorithms. Based on that algorithms, it will work like that only. The simple example like a chess. The computer plays the chess to take the move as well as the human move. So how it is possible? It is thinking as a human. That type of algorithms how it is implemented, that is called EBG, explanation based generalized. That is the concept about that causal algorithm. That causal algorithm is the 100% accuracy. The mainly used for accuracy point of view. That is the advanced concept in the machine learning. It is the analytical learning concept.